Hello fam, happy you are back legends. In this moment here, we have this problem 22 to the power x minus 10 to the power x equals 384, and we want to get the value of x. The problem might look difficult, but it becomes easier if you break down the number 384 into two numbers such as 32 times 12. Next, we are going to break down 32 into the summation of 22 plus 10 and express 12 as 22 minus 10. And now we have the difference of two squares form, which can be written as 22 to the power 2 minus 10 to the power 2. By comparing both sides of the equation, it's clear that x equals 2, and this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting videos.